Hello everyone, happy new year. Welcome to my channel. So excited to have you here today. So guys, for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I'm doing to be able to organize my home. As you may know, I moved to Puerto Rico to this house that we built a few years ago, but it's a very small house, doesn't have a lot of spaces to store things or a big kitchen or cabinets or things like that. So I really have to think about organization, and I'm going to share with you all of the things that I'm doing right now to be able to organize my home. Some of the things that I'm using are from Dollar Tree. I bring them with me on the moving, and I'm really glad that I did it. So everything is like very affordable, inexpensive. So hope that you are ready for these tips and hacks that I know you're gonna love. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage JAZOMY.com, and my other channel JAZOMY Home. We are making so many new stuff, so many videos coming this year, and we are so excited for that. So make sure that you are subscribed. All of the links in the description box, and hope that you are ready, because I am. Let's DIY and organize together.
Okay, let's start organizing with these closet storage bins that I found at Dollar Tree. They come in different colors, and this year they have new ones with like some leather pieces that are really cute, but I'm going to use the old ones from last year. And basically what I'm going to do is to storage all of my crafty supplies here. This is going to work amazing to put on my closet, so that way it's gonna be so much easier to find the stuff that I need when I'm crafting. I'm going to use 4 of them, and I'm going to classify the things and the craft supplies that I have, like rope, yarn, paint, some chalk paint, and also stones and things like that that I'm always using. And if you want, you can leave it like that, or you can add a tag. That way it's going to be easier. I'm going to stack these storage bins on top of each other, so the tags are going to be really helpful. And I'm going to write what is inside of each of the storage bins, and I'm going to hang them. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be putting these storage bins on my closet, and that way it's going to be super easy when I'm going to craft with these supplies. Everything is organized and it looks really good on the closet. If you are like me and you have extra pillows, or maybe you have like winter clothes that are super big, they usually get a big amount of space in your closet. So a really good and affordable solution for that are these vacuum storage bags that you can get at Dollar Tree. They come in a large size, which is the perfect size for pillows, or like I said, maybe like winter clothes or bedding sets. This is going to help a lot to storage them in your closet, and it's going to save you a lot of space. What I'm just going to do is to put the pillows inside of this bag, and I'm going to close them. Now these bags have a small valve that you are going to use to be able to take all of the air out from your bags. You're going to need a vacuum for that, and once you do that, you can add the lid again, and you can see how good they look now, how much space you're going to save. And this is perfect if you want to store them on a closet, or maybe on the bottom of your bed or something like that, or small spaces. I also use these when I was moving, and it helped a lot saving space on the boxes. Something that I have been using for years now are these containers with lids that you can get at Dollar Tree and many other stores. These are the ones from Dollar Tree. I think they come in like 2 different sizes, and I like to use them for maybe flour or sugar or macaroons and things like that, and I love them because they are very affordable. Now if you don't find these at Dollar Tree, you can go maybe to Sam's Club. They have these bigger ones that are 1.5 gallons, and they are a lot bigger, and you can put maybe like family size cereal. And I also like to use them to store my dog's food, because it's pretty big and it's easy to use when I'm feeding my dog. containers with lid that I really like are these ones from the Better Homes and Garden brand from Walmart. They're really cute. They come in 3 different sizes and you can get these as a set. I actually get mine at the Black Friday deal. They work amazing to store maybe like the coffee or rice and things like that, and they look pretty nice on my kitchen and my kitchen cabinet. So I'm going to use the wired cabinet shelves from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put those to be able to organize so much stuff. I'm able to put things under the shelves, and I'm also going to be able to put things on the top of the shelves, and this is going to help me a lot to organize things and to save some space. I also like to use them to organize my plates, easier to grab and easier to put back. Those shelves work amazing on the kitchen or the bathroom, but if you are looking for something bigger like your closets, you can check at Five Below. They have these fabric shelves for only $5. They come 20 package and they come in different colors, black, white, gray, I think blue, for only $5. They're super easy to assemble and you can use them for so many more stuff than just shoes. You can put your shoes, but I really like to organize my kids' clothes and also some games. I brought a few boxes of these at Five Below and I bring them with me on the moving, and I put this on my son's bedroom, and it's so easy for him to be able to grab his stuff and shoes and games and toys, and it saves me a lot of space on the closet. Another thing that you see that I love too are these storage boxes, and you can get these at Dollar Tree or Walmart and so many other stores. They are very affordable and you can use them to store so many things. I usually like to use them to put like those random things that you normally have in like the crazy drawers, maybe in the kitchen or the bathroom or in your room. Well, I like to use these boxes to at least try to organize many of the stuff like the light bulb or cables and things like that. I also like to put some extensions, USB chargers, glasses, watches, old phones, some summer stuff, so that I don't lose them, batteries and things, just like random things that so many people have in their homes. Well, I try to organize those in these storage boxes that are very inexpensive and a great size. They actually come in different sizes, but I really like to use the small ones for these type of things. And something that really helps is to add like a small tag on the box, so that way you can see and know what's inside of each of the boxes. You can use maybe your Cricut, or you can do it by hand. You can just grab a marker, write that word, and then just add a small piece of tape and put those on the boxes. This is going to look just fine. It's going to work. It's a very easy organization system that anyone can do, and it's one of my favorites. Another thing that I really like to use are these multi-purpose plastic baskets from Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes and different colors, and depending on the size, you can get 2 or 3 in a package. I like to use these for so many things, and in the new house I have like very small drawers and nothing fits in here, but these small baskets work really good on my drawers. So I really like to organize all of my silverware, and it works really good. But you can use these to organize maybe your spices or maybe some snacks or food. And I also like to use these to be able to organize those small coffee cups. If you are looking for some storage bins for your fridge, Dollar Tree have different options too. I have this very small space on my fridge that I don't like. Nothing fits in here, and it's kind of hard to grab anything from here. So I like to use these clear storage bins. You can put some food or maybe some snacks, and it's working really good on my fridge. Or you can also use them to organize some of your drawers, or maybe your office, or maybe your kids' crafty table or something like that. I don't know, you can do so many things with these type of storage bins and containers and things like that that you can get at Dollar Tree for only $1.25. They are really affordable, and you can start this year organizing your home with these easy hacks that I know that anyone can do. And I just hope that you like them, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of these hacks and ideas is one of your favorites that maybe you are using already or that you are going to start doing. Let me know that in the comments. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you check all of my social media pages and my other channel, JAZOMY home, all of the links in the description box. I love you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.